Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how we make these flower columns for a wedding. So I do want to disclose that we are not carpenters, but if you guys want to go ahead and make them yourselves, I know that it's very doable. I am going to be showing you guys step by step how we made them and all of the items that we got. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys get to the end, I hope you guys like and comment if you guys want more videos like this, and subscribe to see our next video. So let's hop right into it. This is a picture of the flower column that we will be making today. Here is a list of all of the items that you will need. All of the items shown can be purchased at your local hardware store. The first step we did was secure the wooden panels onto the table. We then used the glue on each panel to glue them together before nailing it down. Each panel was overlapped one another to make sure it was symmetric on all four sides. We made sure to put enough glue so that it stuck together before nailing it down. On each side of the panel, to make sure that it was secured, around 10 to 12 nails were added on. We then started to make a base using 2x2s. These measured at 2 pieces by 8 1/4 and 2 pieces of 11th and 1/4. Before cutting, you want to make sure that you measure. I left about 0.75 of an inch for the top piece. You want to make sure that each 2x2 is left with 0.75, as you want the top of the base to be as flat as possible. Again, we went in with the nail gun and secured the 2x2s by nailing down at least 3 to 6 nails on each side of the panel. We then cut the top of the base, which measured at 11 1/4 by 11 1/4. Then glue was added and we hammered it down to make sure that it was as flat as possible. We added around 10 to 15 nails on the top of the base to make sure that it was going to be secure and would not fall out. These corner brackets were then added as we wanted it to be as sturdy as possible in case of any weather conditions, as this was going to be for an outside wedding. For a seamless look, we made sure to add filler on all cracks and corners and the little holes left by the nail gun. For better application, use a spatula. Since we do not have one, we went ahead and used our fingers. We then got the column prepped for painting as we sanded down over the filler and the whole entire column, as we wanted the paint to stick. 1 coat of primer and 2 coats of paint was used in order for it to look as white as possible. We then let it dry. This is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed. This this is the outdoor setting that we used these columns on. Of course, you guys can use it for something else. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.